Hello students, so let's start our types of application software. First one is general purpose software. General purpose software can be used in many ways for doing a variety of tasks. General purpose software बहुत सारे काम एक साथ करता है. Variety of tasks it performs. General purpose software refers to computer applications that are not designed for a particular business, industry or department. General purpose software is a computer application जो सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस, इंडस्ट्री और डिपार्टमेंट के लिए ही डिज़ाइन नहीं किया गया. इट इज़ डिज़ाइन फॉर all among the peoples using the software, application software. These applications may therefore be adopted and applied by many professionals including engineers, security analysts, accountants, chemists, medical officers and attorneys. These all are using this general purpose software. Professionals are using this, engineers are using, security analyst which provides security to your data not to steal by someone else. Accountants are using this general purpose software to develop their records, to manage their records in a tabular form. Chemists use this to maintain their records. Medical officers are using this to maintain their records, and attorneys for attorneys. The following are the examples of general purpose software. कौन कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं जो जनरल पर्पस सॉफ्टवेयर्स में आते हैं? फर्स्ट वन इज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर. It enables you to create a document, check for spelling and grammar, editing, formatting. These softwares are used to create document and it checks the spelling and grammar of your data. Editing part and formatting part are including in it. What is MS Word used for? किस लिए यूज होता है? Microsoft Word allows you to create professional quality documents, reports, letters and resumes. Unlike a plain text editor, Microsoft Word allow करता है आपको किस लिए? क्रिएट करता है प्रोफेशनल क्वालिटी का डॉक्यूमेंट, रिपोर्ट्स मेंटेन करता है, लेटर्स और रेज्यूम्स बनाता है. रेज्यूम्स मीन्स किसी भी कंपनी में जब हम जॉब के लिए जाते हैं तो वी हैव टू गिव आवर रिकॉर्ड, तो दैट इज नोन एज रेज्यूम. Unlike a plain text editor, Microsoft Word has features including spell check. सिर्फ एक plain text editor नहीं है, Microsoft Word के पास बहुत सारे फीचर्स होते हैं. What are they features? Including spell check, grammar check, text and font formatting. Font formatting means to change the size of your font data, to color the document, color the text, that is font formatting. HTML support, image support, advanced page layout and more. You know that we can add our images and charts also in MS Word. So MS Word has many features which are including these. This is a symbol of Word. This is how Windows look like. Next is Microsoft Excel, spreadsheet software. It is a spreadsheet program that can store, organize and manipulating large quantities of data. Spreadsheet program means MS Excel is a form of tabular sheet which stores and organize and manipulating our large quantities data. MS Excel, Microsoft Excel has the basic features of all spreadsheet using a grid of cells arranged in numbered rows and letters named columns to organize data manipulation like arithmetic operations. You know that in tabular form there is a number of rows and number of columns. There are also a cells. Cell means the where rows and columns meet each other, they form a cell. So there are grid of cells arranged in number of rows and columns. In rows there is a numbered, and in columns there is a alphabet letters which make a heading of the column. We all do calculation work, arithmetic operations in this spreadsheet. You can more understand of this structure by the image. This is a symbol of Excel. This is a window of Excel. Next is Microsoft PowerPoint presentation software. Why it is known as presentation software? Because this software is used to present our ideas or data in front of large number of pupils. It is a presentation software that enables a user to present the data using graphs, cliparts, a variety of colors and style for text and transition and animation features. Presentation सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़र को क्या करता है, प्रेजेंट करने, अपने डेटा को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए बहुत सारे फीचर्स प्रोवाइड करता है. लाइक वी आर यूजिंग ग्राफ्स टू प्रेजेंट आवर डेटा, clip arts, we add clip arts means pictures, variety of colors in our data, and we give style of the text. And transition and animation means to change the view of your page and to change the view of the images, how your images are moving. MS PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a slideshow presentation program that's part of the Microsoft Office suite of tools. You know that I told you what is Microsoft Office suite. Office suite means I told you there is a lots of programs in a one package that is known as Office suite. Microsoft is a slideshow presentation. You know that we represents our data in a slide form, and when the slides moving from one to another, that is known as slideshow. PowerPoint makes it easy to create, collaborate and present your ideas in dynamic, visual, compelling ways. PowerPoint is an easy way to represent your data, to create your data more attractive in a collaborate manner. It is easy way to present your ideas in a dynamic way. You can understand more this from the PowerPoint window image. This is an icon of PowerPoint. This is a window of PowerPoint. So this is all about our first type of application software, general purpose software.